To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and now try to search for the name of the app. So when you scroll down below and you find the name of the app, tap on it with your finger for some while and you're going to see this pop up. Now tap on application details, tap on full stop, then you tap on OK, tap on permissions, tap on location, then you tap on allow only while using this the app. Go back, then tap on permissions again. Make sure the permission is allowed, which is the location as we did. Tap on notification and make sure the show notification is still good on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. After that, go back, then you tap on storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache. After doing this, go to Play Store and check for the update. So after updating it, then tap on the power button for some while. Now reboot your device. After rebooting your device, this problem is going to be fixed.